Shayla says, do you think there would be a good chance for the HB 334 bill Ron to be passed in Georgia? Uh, I can't answer that personally. We just don't know what's going to happen with Ron in Georgia.
Yeah.
It might be 5 or 10 years from now.
Right.
You know, we do things a little bit slower down this way.
Yeah,
right.
So, yeah, don't spend any money right now, Shella. Don't spend no money on Ron. Don't do it. Not even with the hope of, because I know it's a few things I've heard about recently, and people are doing Ron and they want you to, you know, get involved in it right now with the hope that it's coming to your state. Well, if it's not in your state right this second, save your money because it may never come.
Yep. So Dylan said you can utilize a registered agent for your business. However, you would have to pay for that service. Yep, that is a paid service.
Yeah, that's an option.
Dylan.
I actually do that, Dylan.
I don't do that.
I do it through InkFile. Angela was trying to tell me I could save my money this year.
Yeah.
But I'm going to pay one more year because it's like $115, and I'll take that task on next year. Sometimes the way I figure is I work. So if it's some things that I want to delegate, but Angela says the process is not that hard. So I will work on it for 2023. But this year I did go ahead and pay InkFile again as a registered agent for me. And Shauna has an excellent video on that. That's how I found out about it. Shauna.
Yeah.
She's on YouTube. I just can't remember. Shauna Gangi or something like that.
Yeah.
But check out her video on that. On what is it? How to file your LLC, I think.
Right. So Yolanda says commission today. Congratulations, Yolanda. She's in Clayton County. Where's the best place to shop for my supplies? I'm excited about general notary work. We'll let Kim answer that.
Yeah, Kimmi has a good.
For the supplies, yeah, you can check out well, I have a complete list of everything you need on notaryeducatorsllc.com. It will take you to my Amazon store and it has pictures and everything you need. So you can look at the list, just buy your basics right now and keep adding to it. But now Notary Educators LLC is a complete list of what you need for your notary supplies.
Yeah. Okay. So Celeste, OG, I don't know what that is. Woo, Dylan, you guys are so welcome. Thank you guys so much for being here.
Yes, thank you all.
All Things Netta says, I have found that there's a lot of African-American women in the notary loan signing agent field. It's just a lot of people in the field, girl. Men and women. Thank you, Andrea. We appreciate you being here. Several options for website. Which one do I need to get started? So Just Me Design, we always encourage free. Google My Business is free. It's a great website, and depending on what else you want to do, you can use GoDaddy, but Google My Business is free. So Tracy says, all notaries are team players. If yours is not, this is not the business for you. Yep, Tracy, you're right.
Yeah,
you're welcome.
Nice
so
team
welcome,
right
Dylan.
here. Yeah, nice team right here. You know, the three of us. Leah's in Georgia.
Yep, Leah's in Georgia.
We have another couple of notaries that we work closely with in our area.
We need each other.
Yeah, we need each other. You need each other for support.
We also work with all of our people that come to our training class. We call them to give them, work when we can't do it, if it's in their area, to be witnesses. So we're in this together. We want everybody to succeed.
Yeah.
If it's something I can't do, Angela call me, vice versa with her, Alexis. Leah has actually sent me referrals, and Angela.
Yeah, Leah has called me for referrals. So,
so we really do all work together, guys. And there is not competition. We all have our own thing we bring to the industry. And we all have our way of doing things, our own way of training, our own way of this and that. But when it get down to it, we are one family.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Yashika says, hey, what can you share items which suggest to have in your mobile office to be ready for any type of assignment? Well, you need a laptop, a printer to print out your assignments, and what you need for your notary bag. I mean, it's not that complicated. You don't need a whole bunch of stuff. I love that. Kim just got me saying, I just love it. But you don't need to go crazy. Just what you need. You need a printer, you need a computer or a laptop, and your supplies for your notary bag, and whatever else you need in excess of that, you get it as you need it, or you build on it. But you don't need to just go out and spend $3,000 to get all of this stuff, because you don't need all of that.
You should be able to start it with like less than $100 for everything, just to get started. Just to get started.
Okay. And over time, as you're out there in the field, you'll start realizing, okay, I might need this, I might need that. You might watch videos of people, and I always say continue education, continue looking at videos, continue watching Kimmi's videos. and all the different notaries out there. Continue watching videos. You might notice like, oh, I might need that for my business, or oh, this might simplify, make it a little easier. So just start simple, and over time you'll know what you need. Over time, definitely.
I know we're wrapping up on time, Angela. Can I hit a couple more of these really quick?
Yeah, there's one in particular that I really wanted to answer.
I wanted to get that SnapDocs question.
Okay, get this. I want to get
simple.
Henri's question. Henri, you can notarize anywhere in Georgia if you have a Georgia commission.
Yes, you are a notary for the state of Georgia, anywhere in the state of Georgia.
Yeah, get the SnapDocs.
You'll just put your county wherever you are physically standing with your client on your document, though, in the venue part. Okay, if you need help with training, again, you know what we're going to say, y'all. NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. And it's not that complicated. Okay, Patrona question about the SnapDocs. Yes, that is true. They will take you serious after 25 signings. So like we had the advice earlier, anything you do general notary, add it to SnapDocs. It's going to be a little work in the beginning to take all of your general notary and add it to another platform, SnapDocs, but do that because it's going to help you in the end. I did that with every signing when I first started. I don't have to do that anymore, but when I first started, you got to do what you got to do. And that means signing up with 25, 30, 40, 50 companies. You have to do that sometimes. And I did do that initially. I still always say, for me, I did maybe like 20. And then I always say you're going to end up working with like about 5 of them, even less. Right now I have about 1 or 2 that I love working with. And so, yeah, but you got to put the work in. Sometimes a few extra steps, but it'll be worth it in the end. Can we do 2 more, y'all?
Yeah, June talking about apostilles. So a lot of people want to know about apostilles. They're talking about apostilles. And she said, Kim makes it look fun and easy the way it explains. I can't wait to get started. So it can be easy, but you got to know what you're doing. You got to, once you start doing it and you get in the routine and you've done some for a while, you know, it is anything that you train for and you learn how to do it and you practice. Yes, it's easy. But one thing about apostilles, you guys, just with notary in general, please don't try to do it for somebody if you don't know. And the reason why I keep harping on don't do it for apostilles because these documents from these people want to go to other countries. Some of them, a lot of them are for businesses, for personal things that they have to get done. So don't mess up these people's documents on these apostilles. It's not like general notary or loan sign. It's something totally different.
Yeah, do not fake it. If you don't know how to do it, do not do it. I promise you. It was another couple questions here. One of them was training in a remote signing.
Remote signing before you start doing it. Do you suggest training before you do it?
Well, basically, yeah, we do suggest training. Now, whether that be remote or what, you need some training. So don't just start stamping documents, okay? If you need a little training, you have to invest in your business, invest in yourself, okay? Because most states, honestly, they give you the commission, they give you the notary stamp and say, bye. But you need to know what you're doing before you start stamping. You really do.
Ty says, how can I be a signing agent in the real estate field? So Ty, go to NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. It depends on what state you're in as to how much you can do, but you can be a successful signing agent in any state and make sure you know how to do general notary work. But give us a question in NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. Let us know where you are in your notary business. Let us know what you're doing, how long you've been a notary, and we'll be happy to help you with that. You guys are so welcome.
Yeah, I guess if we want to wrap it up, we can, because we are actually over. We don't want to rob you guys of your time.
Yeah.
But I love what Tracy says again. Tracy, what state you in?
Right.
Tracy and Dylan
dropping knowledge.
He is the whole time.
We appreciate you, Tracy. You dropping some knowledge.
You know what, guys? We love the fact that you guys are helping each other in the chat. That's what this is all about. It really breaks our hearts when people tell us, well, I was trying to ask another notary and they didn't want to tell me. Help each other. We love this. So baby steps, like Tracy is saying, and just take your time, guys. And again, we are here as a notary educators. Myself, I'm Kimmi. I have over 100 videos for you. All the other courses, everything is budget friendly. So check it out. And again, we have Alexis from Mobile Notary Services by Alexis and Angela from AJ Mobile Notary Services. And we want to say thank you, guys. It's been our pleasure. Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Bye. We'll see you on next Monday.
See you next Monday.